One of my favorite fruit leathers is an applesauce fruit leather, and this one happens to be cinnamon applesauce, but I've done all different kinds of varieties. But this is a really good one with that lovely taste of cinnamon. And because I like it so much, I actually make an additional cinnamon sugar mixture to sprinkle on top. The way I do that is I use 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. This is pretty much the mixture that I use anytime I'm going to do a cinnamon sugar sprinkle on anything. And it's really easy to just put it in a jar and then I just shake it. And that gets that cinnamon and sugar mixed really well. And you can see if it's mixed as you're turning the jar. And then I use it for my sprinkling, and any that's left over I just put in the cupboard for another project. So now all I'll do is open up my applesauce. And then I've got my dehydrating tray here, and it's got a little plastic tray on top, which makes sense, otherwise it would just fall through the holes, right? What I like to do is use just a little bit of coconut oil to lube up that tray. A lot of times the fruit leathers will stick to the tray if you don't do something like this. And the coconut oil is such a lovely flavor that it's not gonna make the fruit leather taste bad. 1 quart of applesauce will usually do about 2 trays worth. And I just use a spatula to try to move it around. If it's a soft enough applesauce, liquid enough, then you can just kind of wiggle to get it down. And the reason you want to get it as even as possible is just so that it doesn't get too crunchy on the thin portions, and it makes it so that it dries evenly. So now again, I'll do that to the second tray. I'll give it a good coating of the coconut oil, and then I should be able to put the rest of my applesauce on this tray. Now I like to use a silicone spatula just to make sure that I get as much of the applesauce out as I can. So now I'll take just a little bit of the cinnamon and sugar into my hand, and then I'll sprinkle it from kind of high up. If you get too close to it, then it ends up making it really concentrated in one area. But if you go about 6 inches above, then it spreads out a little bit better. And this just gives it a lovely little cinnamon and sugar taste on the top. I'll then place these on the dehydrator and put it to 135 degrees. And it'll have to run for anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. So it's been about 8 hours now, and my fruit leather is nice and pliable, but dry at the same time. So that is the way that I want it, and you see how nicely it comes off of that tray because of the oil that I put on it earlier. And this is just perfect timing to be making this because my boys have a track meet today. So I'll wrap this up and send it with them to their meet. My favorite way to do it is just with some plastic wrap, and then I fold the plastic over and I just roll it up. I like doing it kind of diagonal, and then I'll fold the ends. I usually cut one of the rounds into 4 pieces. The big thing is I just want them to be able to eat this without their fingers getting sticky. So again, place it on there, put some plastic over, and then just roll, and then wrap it underneath. Pretty easy. And then they have a nice, healthy, convenient snack, which makes it so much easier for them to eat healthily.